Okay, so here I just wanted to mention some options you have for changing the font characteristics. Okay, so first off, the font family specifies, like the font family, so the like type of font. It's generally common to provide a list here where you have a general, a very specific font that you want. So in this case, it's Times New Roman, and then a more general, and then an even more general. So basically, what we're saying here is use Times New Roman. If that doesn't exist, then use a Times font, and if that doesn't exist, then use whatever available or default serif font that's available on the client computer. Weight is used to specify weight, obviously, so you could do normal, bold. Style you can use for italicize. For font size, you can do point, pixels, eam. Here I'm using a 32-point font, which obviously is fairly large. Yeah, and here I'm specifying using pixels. Here I'm using italic style and a bold weight. Right, so anyway, these are the properties that you can set. One thing I do want you to consider doing as you set up websites is it is a good idea to provide a list of fonts, so that if there is an issue with your preferred font not being available, you have some control over the alternatives.